Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to create your account on the ReelSort app. Now if you want to create your account on the ReelSort app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to create an account. So after doing all of it, you just need to open the ReelSort app on your device. So this is the homepage of the ReelSort, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. So click on the option of profile at the very bottom right, and here you'll see the option of various things like on rewards, my list, and all of it. So click on the option of sign in at the very top right, and from here you need to select the option from which you wanna sign up. So if you wanna sign up with Facebook, Google, Apple, or TikTok, so simply select the option that is according to your choice. So I have selected Face ID for now. So after verifying my Face ID, it helps me to create my account on the ReelSort app. So wait for it. So after doing all of it, you will be able to create an account on the ReelSort. So that's it. That's how you can create an account on the ReelSort app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.